Hey guys, I want to make a quick video on how to increase your rental portfolio and find cheap properties. Today we're going to be looking at foreclosures and bank-owned properties online, not using the HUD website, okay? This is called auction.com. They have a lot of listings on here. Not very many people use this website for some reason, and you're able to buy properties for literally pennies on the dollar, okay? Let's just do a quick search. I'll do a quick search here for you. Here I am, I search Carbondale, Illinois. What I do is I search areas I'm familiar with, and I look for the listings that provide me the most value, okay? And straight off the bat here, this listing, opening bid for $20,000, that's exactly what I'm looking for. You want to find a property that has a low enough opening bid that there's room to work and there's enough equity left after you buy that property. There's enough equity left for you so you can go ahead and buy your next property with that, right? So here's the opening bid is $20,000. Let's say you were able to buy this house for $50,000. The estimated resale value of this house, $239,000. Okay, I don't think that's accurate, but still, I think this house would be worth at least $150,000. That's $150,000. So I mean, you're making $100,000 simply by just picking up this house. That's essentially it. Let's look at it. Of course, you always want to click on the properties, do your due diligence. If you live close enough, drive by it, make sure it's not burnt down. That's just simple. I shouldn't have to tell you that. You should already know that you need to do that, okay? But look at this. If there's photos available, look at the photos. Obviously, the pink house, we would have to change that if we bought this house, but hey, that's not a deal breaker. We're set in a rural area. We have an updated kitchen, it looks like. I mean, this is a modern home. I mean, yeah, okay, maybe it needs some new paint work, fine. But the paint that's there doesn't look too bad. Again, maybe let's replace the carpet. Nothing here is going to be a deal breaker so far, right? 1 bathroom, 2 bathrooms, okay? There we go. And a 2-car garage on top of that. I mean, so obviously this is no brainer. Well, I mean, if you were to buy this house for $20,000, nobody else bid against you, that would be insane, right? Where else in the country could you get that? At least a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house with a 2-car garage for $20,000. That's unheard of. So, you might be asking, well, hey, how do I buy this property? How do I put a bid on it? Well, all you have to do is usually it'll have a bid option right here if the auction is active. If the auction is not active, you can save this property to your profile and it'll send you an email, text message, all that good stuff whenever the auction is live, so you can get in here and place your bid. All right. But hey, I just wanted to share that with you guys so you guys know that this is an option. This is a way that you can quickly find cheap houses and build that real estate portfolio up quickly. Okay. But hey, that does it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'm going to be doing more videos just like this one on real estate tips and tricks and going into more detail on how to build up your real estate portfolio and achieve financial freedom. Like I said, that does it for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.